Okay, fine. So in this class, we want to discuss something about temperature, something about heat, and something about the expansion of materials, right? So to start with, let us try to understand what exactly is the temperature. So according to you, what is temperature? Raise your hand and reply. Yes, as there are number of hands, I am inviting anyone randomly, right? Like yes, Samyak, want to hear from you.
So temperature is the measure of how hot or cold an object is, or what is the measure of heat in the
Let
body.
us let us collect the statements, right? All of you should write. Whatever others are saying, if I am accepting those statements, then you should write it down. We are now discussing something very important concept that is related with the temperature. Samyak is saying temperature is something which is related to hotness and coldness. Am I right, Samyak?
Sir, measure of hotness or coldness.
Measure of hotness and coldness. Write it down. So according to Samyak, temperature is nothing but the measure of hotness and coldness. I am also writing. Very good. Yes. So this is one of the statement which we have accepted. I want some different statements, more statements. Yes.
Sir, may I?
Yes.
Sir, temperature is a physical property of matter that quantitatively expresses hot and cold.
Like this is one and the same statement, right? Something which you are correlating with hotness and coldness of a particular substance, right? इसके अलावा कोई statement किसी के पास हो तो you are welcome.
Sir, may I?
Sir.
Sir,
Anjali, yes, Anjali will listen.
temperature can be defined as the average of all the kinetic energy of all the molecules of a substance.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है तो नया एक चीज आ गया और हॉटनेस और कोल्डनेस को छोड़कर एक नया कंसेप्ट आ गया एवरेज काइनेटिक एनर्जी, राइट? एवरेज काइनेटिक एनर्जी, राइट? 20 प्रज्ञान से कोई कुछ बोलना चाहेगा इसके अलावा? यस, यू आर वेलकम.
Sir, temperature is the count of heat in a particular object.
So Krishna is saying the temperature is the count of heat. Count of heat is the measure of heat for a particular ऑब्जेक्ट, कि वो पर्टिकुलर ऑब्जेक्ट में कितना हीट है ये उसके टेम्परेचर से पता चलता है. दिस इज व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय दिस स्टेटमेंट, कृष्णा?
So that temperature is the count of the heat energy in an object.
काउंट ऑफ हीट एनर्जी इन द ऑब्जेक्ट. ये स्टेटमेंट थोड़ा सा पकड़ के रखोगे, सेम स्टेटमेंट, ठीक है? हम इस पे वापस आएंगे. We'll come back to this statement, right? Sneha, do you want to speak something? Do you want to say something else? इसके अलावा किसी को कुछ कहना है तो please raise your hand, otherwise कर लो. Yes. Yes. We can't. Yes. बोलो Ojas, I think you want to say something.
Shivaji,
Shivaji.
So temperature is the is degree measure of hotness or coldness.
ये हो गया ना, बात बोल दिया तो. ये degree of hotness and coldness is nothing but temperature. ये सभी को पता है अब, लाइक दिस इज अ वेरी पॉपुलर स्टेटमेंट। जब भी हम टेम्परेचर का बात करते हैं तो डिग्री ऑफ हॉटनेस, डिग्री ऑफ कोल्डनेस इज नथिंग बट टेम्परेचर हम बोल देते हैं, राइट, बोल देते हैं, राइट।
Sir,
इसके
may I tell?
अलावा यस, हु वांट टू स्पीक?
Yes, sir.
यस, बोलो।
Sir, temperature is a measure or measure of transfer of heat energy to another from one body to another body.
Temperature is the measure of transfer of heat energy from one body to another body। अगर एक बॉडी से दूसरे बॉडी में अगर हीट ट्रांसफर होती है तब टेम्परेचर नाम का प्राणी खड़ा हो जाता है, अदरवाइज टेम्परेचर का कोई एग्जिस्टेंस नहीं है। अगर हीट ट्रांसफर नहीं हो तो टेम्परेचर कुछ नहीं होता है, जैसे ही हीट ट्रांसफर होता है टेम्परेचर खड़ा हो जाता है। डू यू वांट टू से लाइक दिस?
No, sir.
नहीं ना, गलत हो गया कुछ? यस, समवेयर यू आर रॉन्ग। ठीक है, अब हाथ थोड़े कम दिख रहे हैं, बस 2 हाथ बचे हैं। ये 2 हाथ भी चाहिए मेरे को, 1 हाथ बाकी है अभी, बस वो भी चला गया, सब ठाकुर बन गए अभी, राइट। चलो गुड। तो 2 स्टेटमेंट पे हम लोग थोड़ा सा डिस्कस करते हैं। एक आपने बोला कि हॉटनेस कोल्डनेस, करेक्ट। दूसरा जो बात हुआ वो बहुत अच्छा बात हुआ, एवरेज ऑफ ऑल काइनेटिक एनर्जी। ऐसा अंजलि ने हम लोगों को बताया कि एवरेज ऑफ ऑल काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ अ सिस्टम इज नथिंग बट टेम्परेचर। Anjali, now I want to interact with you only, right? I will ask
Yes,
few
sir.
more questions to you. As you have said, average of all kinetic energy is nothing but temperature. यही बोला आपने?
Yes, sir.
Means temperature is energy and its unit should be joule.
No, sir. Temperature is not an energy.
You have only said average of all kinetic energy is temperature. This you have accepted right now. You has accepted this, right?
Yes, sir.
Prajwal want to interrupt. Yes, Prajwal.
Sir, she is talking about heat.
He is talking about heat. No, he hasn't said anything about heat.
Sir, no. Instead of temperature, there should be heat. And I think someone also said that when there's no transfer of heat, heat का कोई वजूद नहीं है.
Heat का कोई वजूद नहीं है, किसी ने कहा है ऐसा? Very
Sir.
good. I love that statement. Yes.
Sir, she should have told that considered की बजाय उसने measure।
कृष्णा, तुम हाथ उठाना नहीं जानते हो? Don't you know how to raise the hand? बीच में प्लीज नहीं बोलना है, राइट? हाथ ऊपर करो। मेरा स्पेक्स बहुत अच्छे पावर का है, वो देख लेता है किसका हाथ उठाया। अभी मैं बोल रहा हूँ ईशा। यस ईशा, प्लीज स्पीक।
Sir, heat is a form of energy, you can say, but temperature is.
हीट का तो मैंने बात नहीं किया ईशा। आई डोंट वांट टू लिसन एनीथिंग अबाउट हीट। अभी तक हमने हीट के बारे में कुछ बात नहीं किया। टेम्परेचर बताओ, व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय टेम्परेचर?
Sir, it will be the measure of that heat.
Measurement of heat is temperature, you are saying. Again you have said heat is a kind of energy, means अगर measurement of heat energy temperature रहेगा तो temperature should be expressed in terms of joule, but we don't express temperature in terms of joule. हमने temperature का अलग unit बना रखा है, डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड कहते हैं, फ़ारेनहीट कहते हैं, केल्विन कहते हैं। that is not joule. Krishna,
There's an average kinetic energy, sir. Instead of consider, she should have told count or measure.
please repeat it, Krishna.
Sir, so she should have said can be count or measure as average of all kinetic energy in an object.
If you will count average of all kinetic energy and if you will treat that as temperature, then the unit of temperature should be equivalent to the unit of kinetic energy, which is joule. So express temperature in terms of joule. Why we are using
But
centigrade,
it is
Kelvin?
count. So it is count or measure.
Count or measure? What do you mean by count or measure?
Sir, means how much? Like we can't say that 1, 2,
Yes,
3, 4.
count. Yes. It's a count now. So 20 kilojoule is a count. Is the count of energy.
Yes, sir.
So something is wrong. कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. Krishna. Right. Ramanshu want to say something. Ramanshu.
Sir, we can say temperature as a degree of hotness or an coldness.
ये तो बात हो गया. Please don't repeat this. Degree of hotness और coldness का बात नहीं करेंगे. ये हमने accept कर लिया. ये हमको सबको पता है. ये टेक्स्ट बुक्स में भरा पड़ा है. Temperature is nothing but the degree of hotness or coldness. हम इसका बात नहीं करेंगे. This I have accepted. कि ये जो भी टेम्परेचर और हीट पड़ेगा, ये स्टेटमेंट तो जरूर पड़ेगा कि टेम्परेचर इज द डिग्री ऑफ हॉटनेस और कोल्डनेस ऑफ द सिस्टम. राइट. वंशिका वांट टू से समथिंग. यस
Sir, I think that statement is for heat, not for temperature.
which statement?
Average of kinetic energy of molecules.
Average of kinetic energy of all molecules is heat.
Excuse me, sir.
Heat is nothing
Yes,
but the average of kinetic energy. Right.
Excuse me, sir. Can I
Please
interrupt?
wait. Please wait. I can see your raised hand. I will come to you. Don't worry. Right. Prajwal, do you want to say something else?
Yes, sir. Sir, I had read in a book that if heat is not transferred, then it has no meaning.
Then it has no meaning. मैं तो
Sir-
heat के बारे में पूछ नहीं रहा हूँ.
Sir, then you asked that, sir, heat is a form of energy. Sir,
मैं
but-
heat में interest नहीं ले रहा हूँ अभी. I am
Sir,
just
but-
talking about temperature. You people are putting heat in between. Heat को बार-बार आप उठा के पटक दे रहे हो temperature के साथ. Right. I am just interested in temperature. T वाला temperature. Simple. बताओ क्या होता है. Anjali, I'm coming back to you now.
Yes, sir. I'm sure that the definition which I have said is for temperature and not for heat. As
Correct,
Vanshika
correct.
and Prajwal are saying, I'm sure that it is for temperature, not for heat.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is.
In between, don't speak
It
in
is for
between.
temperature.
You can only raise the hand and then only you will be allowed to speak. Right. Repeat the statement. Word by word we will go. Repeat the statement.
So,
Yes. Go ahead. Repeat the statement.
yes, temperature can be defined as the average of all the kinetic energy of all the molecules of a matter.
ठीक है. तो temperature is defined as the average of all
The kinetic energy present in all the molecules of the matter.
if we'll add or if we'll do averaging of all kinetic energies. ठीक है. Let us take there are 100 particles and each and every particle is having certain energy, and if we'll take the average of all those kinetic energies, so the unit of those kinetic energies will be in joules. Don't you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It should be in joules, na? Average kinetic energy. If I will ask you to calculate the average kinetic energy, it should be in joules, SI unit.
Yes.
Yes.
But temperature is measured in degree centigrade and Kelvin or Fahrenheit. Temperature is not measured in terms of joules. If we'll measure the temperature in terms of average kinetic energy, how different it is.
Sir, because, sir, may I try to answer it?
Please.
Sir, because it is like temperature and energy is different because two objects at same temperature might have different energies and vice versa.
What about averaging? We are talking about average kinetic energy. We are not talking about the kinetic energy of whole system.
Sir, if we take only consideration of the magnitude, then we don't need units. So if we say that the temperature is the measure of the magnitude of the average kinetic energy of molecules, we will be correct then.
I can now accept this. Right. it will give you the sense of the average kinetic energy of the molecule. It will not give you the value of average kinetic energy of the molecules present in that system. Right? It will give you the magnitude. It will give you the sense. Right? How warmth is the substance or how cold it is. It will give you the sense. It won't give you the count of kinetic energy, average kinetic energy. So temperature is nothing but the count, sense of. It will give you the sense of average kinetic energy of the system. Right? It won't give you the value, exact value of kinetic energy. Right? Energy is different than temperature. How it is different, we're gonna see this also, but after some time. So what happens? Temperature is measured generally in degree centigrade or in Fahrenheit or in Kelvin. So you know the relationship, how to convert Fahrenheit into degree centigrade and degree centigrade into Kelvin. So Lord Kelvin made one scale which is similar to that of degree centigrade scale. Degree centigrade is different than Kelvin, right? Kelvin is not degree Kelvin, right? We already had a discussion about this, right? So degree Kelvin is not the proper word. It should be Kelvin. Degree and centigrade can be coupled, but degree and Kelvin cannot be coupled. Right. So Kelvin is one of the unit of the temperature. SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. It's not degree centigrade. Do you know this? Right.
Yes,
So
sir.
Kelvin goes up to minus 273 degrees centigrade, negative temperature, which we call. Right. So 0 Kelvin is minus 273 degrees centigrade. Right. What happens? Any system, when it moves from 0 Kelvin to 1 Kelvin to 2 Kelvin to 200 Kelvin to 400 Kelvin to 4000 Kelvin, what happens? Jiggling of atoms takes place. Jiggling of atoms or molecules takes place. The molecules or atoms in that system acquires energy, acquires kinetic energy, because of which translational motion of the material, of the atoms inside the material, dominates the system. So with the increase in the temperature, kinetic energy of the system increases. Kinetic energy of the system increases, and this kinetic energy can be translational kinetic energy. This kinetic energy can be rotational kinetic energy. It can rotate that atom. This temperature can cause the vibration of the material, and this temperature can cause the increase of the potential energy of that material. What do you mean by potential energy? When two charged particles interact with each other, they store certain charges with them. Like when we pull the string, something will be there during this pull, and when we release it, sudden off, it comes back, means it is coming back with some energy. So the total energy which is there inside the material, which is stored there inside the material, is in the form of kinetic energy, rotational kinetic energy, potential energy. And this energy is called as internal energy. What do we call this energy as? Internal energy. So every system, every material, every substance in this world possesses certain internal energy at certain temperature. At certain temperature, every material in this world possesses certain internal energy. And this internal energy is there inside the material, and it is there in the form of kinetic energy. It is there in the form of rotational kinetic energy. It is there in the form of vibrational motion of the atoms inside it. It is there inside the material in terms of potential energy, which holds the atoms and molecules together in the system, right? So internal energy is something related to temperature. Every material possesses internal energy at certain temperature. Now, when we increase the temperature, what happens? Vibrations increases, vibrations inside, ziggling increases. We see this activity, intramolecular forces dominates and the material expands, like solid expands to liquid and liquid expands to gases, right? So this jiggling, this movement of atoms inside the material dominates, and this energy get absorbed in these forms, right? So this all kind of energy is called as, these all kinds of energies are called as internal energy of the system. So any system at certain temperature possesses internal energy. Material does not possess heat energy. Material does not possess heat energy, right? So let us try to understand the concept of average kinetic energy. What do we mean by average kinetic energy? Means kinetic energy because of which the atoms or molecules in a system moves like this in the system, like the translational motion. So temperature only contributes to the translational motion of the atoms inside the material, right? So when we increase the temperature, kinetic energy of the system increases, kinetic energy of the system increases, right? And if the kinetic energy of the system will increase, average kinetic energy of the system will also increase. Agree or not? अगर system
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
बढ़ जाएगा,
Yes, sir.
molecules के energy बढ़ जाएंगे, kinetic energy, then the average kinetic energy will also pile up, and because of which it will go to higher temperature, because of which it will go to higher temperature. Reciprocal is all, vice versa is also true, right? So at higher temperature क्या चीज देखने मिल रहा है? At higher temperature average kinetic energy of the molecules will be higher. Now I am asking you one question, ठीक है? दिमाग खोल के जवाब दोगे. So temperature, what we have concluded, temperature is proportional to average kinetic energy of the atoms or molecules present in that system. Agree? लिख लो. Temperature is proportional to. I am not saying temperature is equal to. What I am saying, temperature is proportional to average kinetic energy of atoms and molecules of that system or substance. Write it down. This is a simplest note which you can give about the temperature.
Sir, please repeat.
Temperature is directly proportional to the average kinetic energy of atoms or molecules present in that system. Simple, proportional. Proportionality का sign आता है ना आप लोगों को, directly proportional. P is directly proportional to AVGKE, बस average kinetic energy. इतना भी लिखोगे तो sufficient. I can use whiteboard here, but no need, na? You can. Like I will treat you smarter than the smart boards, right? दिमाग में picture बन जाता है. Now I'm asking you one thing. ठीक है? I have 2 liters of water in a bottle. I have 2 liters of water in a bottle. I will divide that into 2 separate bottles. I will divide that into 2 separate bottles of 1 liter each. Comment on the kinetic energy of the system and temperature of the system. Raise hand and answer. Comment on the kinetic energy of the system and temperature of the system in after dividing that water into two bottles. What will happen to the kinetic energy and what will happen to the temperature? Should I repeat the question?
Yes, sir.
हिंदी में बोलता हूँ, ठीक है? 2 लीटर का जग है मेरे पास, वो 2 लीटर के जग में जो पानी है उसको मैंने 2 छोटे छोटे 1 लीटर के बॉटल में डाल दिया, राइट? तो 2 बॉटल में डिवाइड करने के बाद अब ये सिस्टम की काइनेटिक एनर्जी और टेम्परेचर पे क्या असर पड़ेगा कंपेयर विद द प्रीवियस। जग में था तो काइनेटिक एनर्जी क्या था, बॉटल में आ गया तो काइनेटिक एनर्जी क्या हो गया, टेम्परेचर था तो जग में कितना था और जब इसमें आ गया बॉटल में तो टेम्परेचर क्या हो गया।
Sir, shall we consider the heat losses?
वंशिका, whatever is there ना with you, तुम जब भी बात करो तो वो कंडीशंस बता के बात कर सकती हो, there is no issue, right? Even I don't know what kind of heat losses you are talking about, right? But whenever you give the answer, include your conditions. He said within this condition ये ऐसे होगा, right? That is acceptable. Yes, I am getting the same hands. Others are sleeping, I guess. I'm not getting any kind of reply from Jan, even Pranay, Ajay, sorry, Dhairya, Tejas Savalakhe, Rugved. All of you are sleeping, Atharva. I never expected correct answers from you. You hardly raise your hands, means you are not attentive. This is what you are proving. Every class I am observing the same hands are coming. Then I should share the recording of these sessions with you. Don't attend these sessions. If you don't want to participate, just take the recordings and enjoy your time. Atharva Varve, yes. What do you say?
So as you said, temperature is proportional to the average kinetic energy. So if you divide the water, 2 liter water into 1 liter bottles, so both temperature and kinetic energy will divide half.
Comment specifically what will happen to the kinetic energy and what will happen to the temperature.
Both will be half
Both
in
will be
both
half.
the bottles.
Both will be half. Right. So you are saying कि kinetic energy भी आधा हो जाएगा और उसका temperature भी आधा हो जाएगा. तो एक काम करो अथर्व, right? Do one thing, right? तो गर्मी में ठंडा पानी अगर चाहिए तो एक बड़े बकेट में पानी डालो और उसको 2 पार्ट में डिवाइड कर दो तो वो ठंडा हो जाएगा, टेम्परेचर कम हो जाएगा दोनों. This is what you are saying, na? Yes, Lohia. Yes. What is your
Sir,
opinion?
less the molecules, less the kinetic energy.
Achha. What will happen to the kinetic energy?
It will be less.
It will be less. Half हो जाएगा ना? Yes.
Yes.
काइनेटिक एनर्जी हर एक एटम और मॉलिक्यूल अपना एंटिटी रखता है. मेरे पास कुछ काइनेटिक एनर्जी है, बगल वाले एटम के पास कुछ और होगा, उसके पास कुछ और होगा. तो टोटल काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ द सिस्टम will be decided by the total number of atoms or molecules in the system. As we are dividing those atoms and molecules into 2, then the kinetic energy will get divided into 2. So the kinetic energy in the bottle will be half than that of the previous one. True? Yes or no? Yes को hit.
Yes, sir.
मेरे
Yes,
साथ
according to me, sir.
yes को hit करो, yes को hit करो, yes को hit मत करो please. Yes. Right. If you are not agree with me, hit no. Tejas Savalakhe and all. Are you sleeping, guys? Raj Sonchatra. Right. Rishabh? Yes.
Yes, sir.
क्या कहना है आपका? आपने नो कह दिया, मतलब मेरे को cross कर दिया।
Sir, in 1 liter bottle, of course, you can say it will be less space. So as the space will be less, so the atoms or molecules will collide more with each other. And as they will collide more, there will be more kinetic energy.
अच्छा ये बताओ कोलिजन क्यों होगा? क्यों होगा कोलिजन?
Sir, because due to the kinetic energy of atoms and molecules.
So are we increasing the kinetic energy?
No.
We have decreased the kinetic energy even.
Yes.
Right. Jiggling कब होगा? When you will raise the temperature. Then only jiggling will take place. Jiggling represents the increase in the kinetic energy of the system. होता है ना पानी हीट करते हो तो bubbles
Yes, sir.
करते तो टेम्परेचर बढ़ता है, टेम्परेचर होता है तो जिगलिंग होता है, मींस काइनेटिक एनर्जी बढ़ जाता है सिस्टम का, दूर भागते हैं सब लोग, इधर उधर इधर उधर अफरा तफरी मच जाती है, एंड देन फाइनली वाटर वेपर कम्स आउट.
So may I tell my opinion?
Yes, yes.
Sir, I think it will be same.
Kinetic energy. I am
Yes, sir.
asking about the total kinetic energy. I am not asking about the average kinetic energy. Average kinetic energy of the system will remain same. But the total means 1, 2 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. पहले 100 थे, अब 50 हो गए. तो 50 और 50 में डिवाइड हो गए तो टोटल काइनेटिक एनर्जी कम होगा. एग्री?
Yes.
But average kinetic energy will remain same.
Yes, sir.
Right? So average kinetic energy defines temperature. So temperature will remain same, but
Yes,
the
sir.
average kinetic energy, total kinetic energy will become half. Correct? I think yes. और हाथ दिख रहे हैं किसी के? कुछ बोलना है किसी को? Please comment. इसके अलावा कुछ किसी को कहना है तो yes.
Sir, the temperature will remain same if we do not consider the minor heat losses such as due to pouring of that water into another vessel, that friction, or like holding that vessel with our hand.
Correct. Very good. Very good. Yes.
It would be same, and so kinetic energy would be half in both the jars, and yes.
Correct. Apart
Sir,
from
I agree.
yes. Ojas, do you want to say something?
Yes, sir.
Bolo.
So I think that as kinetic energy is mass dependent, so kinetic energy will be halved and the temperature will remain.
Again, Tejas has raised a very good point. Kinetic energy is mass dependent क्योंकि kinetic energy का formula ही है half mv square. क्या formula है kinetic energy का?
Half mv square.
Right? V is the velocity. Translational motion का जो speed होगा atoms molecules का वो V है. वो बढ़ेगा वो speed तो kinetic energy बढ़ जाएगी. Massive रहेगा तो kinetic energy बढ़ जाएगी. Yes, move ahead.
Sir, so but as you have said, that temperature is directly proportional to kinetic energy. But
average kinetic.
Okay.
Use the word average. Please be careful. Average kinetic energy is not equal to total kinetic energy.
Okay, sorry, sir.
ठीक है? Yes.
Sorry. Okay.
और किसी को कुछ कहना है या आगे चले?
So I would like to add something in Krishna's statement.
Yes. Add.
So as he said that temperature will remain same, heat will remain same because there will be many factors which will increase after we have it.
Speak. What are the other factors? Point पे आया करो फटाफट. What are the other factors?
Sir, may I speak?
Yes.
So the temperature will be same because if we look into definition of the temperature, it says that temperature can be defined as average kinetic energy in objects. So, sir, average kinetic
we
energy.
have accepted this, right? No need to discuss this point. Yes, average kinetic energy defines temperature. Average kinetic energy पहले भी same था, अभी भी same है, right? Average kinetic energy, you can say it's the entity of a single atom. एक 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 मिलके अगर 100 है, 100 को add कर दो divided by 100, that is average, right? Total is 100 से divide नहीं करना है. Total is just the addition of each and every atom's contribution, right? Isha, you want to add something?
Sir, I had the doubt because I have read that kinetic energy will increase as the velocity will increase.
Yes, Isha.
So,
You are correct.
sir, kinetic energy can increase because first when that 2 liter was 2 liter of amount that was kept, that time its velocity was 0. And
Why it
when
was 0? No, it wasn't 0, right? It wasn't 0. Right. This is what the misconception is. What I have said, at certain temperature, jiggling takes place. We can't see that motion, right? We cannot see that motion. Velocity is ये नहीं कि वो किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड से कहीं निकल जाए, right? So because of which kinetic energy is there. Whenever kinetic energy, atom टकराते हैं एक दूसरे से. Getting my point? ऐसे नहीं कि वो निकल गया और बाहर निकल गया कहीं पानी बनकर. No. Continuous collisions होते रहता है. अगर water का हम लोग बात करें, fluids का बात करें. Whenever we talk of fluids, gaseous state और liquid state consider करते हैं. Fluid means ये दो state. Solid state is different, right? So atoms एक temperature पे हर समय motion में रहता है अंदर. Fluids specially, right? वो टकराता है फिर दूसरे के पास जाता है फिर तीसरे के पास, right? तो ये जो averaging रहता है, this is average. Okay, we'll move ahead. बहुत सारी बात करनी है हमको. 1 घंटा हो चुका है, right? तो ईशा, I'm starting with you again, right? Tell me कि bucket full of water और cup of hot tea में क्या difference है? What is the difference between a bucket full of water and a cup of hot tea? What is the difference?
sir, it could be that means total kinetic energy will be different because that amount is different.
Don't tell me different. कहाँ ज़्यादा होगा कहाँ कम होगा?
Sir, in the bucket, because it has larger number of molecules or atoms than a cup,
Yes,
it
very
will
good,
contain
very
more.
good. Yes. So in the bucket full of water, more water molecules will be there that will add to more kinetic energy. So bucket full of water will have more kinetic energy. But, correct me. आगे, continue.
So, but means it does not mean that the temperature would be means in the bucket it would be greater.
Why?
So because means it temperature depends on the average kinetic energy, not on the total.
So you are saying कि average kinetic energy is greater in the cup of tea.
So it depends. Means it depends how.
There are more hands. Let's go to other. Dhairya.
Sir, because the tea is hot,
Mm-hmm.
the kinetic energy will be more.
Kinetic energy.
Average can will be more.
नहीं, average kinetic energy ज़्यादा रहेगा या kinetic energy ज़्यादा है?
Kinetic energy. Kinetic energy.
फिर गड़बड़ हो रहा है कुछ. नहीं, आभा. Yes. आभा मोड करें.
Yes, sir. I agree that the tea is hot, so the kinetic energy would be more.
Kinetic energy of what would be more? Isha has said the total kinetic energy of bucket will be greater than that of total kinetic energy of hot cup. I agree with this. What about hot cup? उसमें क्या चीज ज्यादा है? उसका टेम्परेचर ज्यादा है हॉट कप का? एग्री?
Sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, कोई
Yes,
कौन
sir.
कौन बताना चाहते हैं? शिवाजी want to.
So may I comment?
Sir, its velocity would be more.
कृष्णा
हाँ,
बीच में
sir.
मत बोलो. कृष्णा प्लीज. राइट.
So
कृष्णा आपको बोलने का टाइम दे रहे हैं ना? थोड़ा सा पेशेंस रखो, ठीक है? यू हैव टू लर्न दिस. लाइक डोंट वरी. लिसन लिसनिंग इज अगेन एन आर्ट, राइट? हर समय मैं पहले बोलूं शुड नॉट बी द. कोई नहीं बोलेगा तब जरूर बोलो, और बोलना चाहते हो हाथ दिखाओ. आई विल गिव यू चांस रिक्वायर्ड. यस शिवाजी.
So the kinetic energy of cup of the cup of hot water will also be more because the velocity of their molecules would be more.
काइनेटिक एनर्जी ज्यादा रहेगा, टोटल काइनेटिक एनर्जी.
Yes, and it will be exponentially bigger.
नहीं, मेरे को कुछ और इफेक्ट्स नहीं डिस्कस करना है. कोशिका, दृष्टि, कोशिका, दृष्टि, any one of you.
So the average kinetic energy of the cup will be more, but the total kinetic energy of the bucket will be more.
Average kinetic energy of the cup will be more. Hot cup will be more. Why do you think so? Average kinetic energy will be more.
Because you told that the cup of tea is hot, so average kinetic energy is proportional to temperature.
Very good. Very good. Yes, this is the point. This is the point which we need to understand. More temperature means more average kinetic energy in the system. We can measure the temperature of bucket and tea. Is there any doubt कि tea का temperature कम आएगा bucket से?
no. No.
Listen carefully. मैं तो उल्टा क्वेश्चन कर रहा हूँ. Is there any doubt कि tea का temperature कम आएगा bucket से? Listen it carefully, right? The kind of statements I am making will confuse you, right? So you can say yes sir, there is 100% doubt कि टी का जो टेम्परेचर है वो ज्यादा रहेगा. टी का टेम्परेचर अगर ज्यादा है, व्हाट डज इट मीन? एवरेज काइनेटिक एनर्जी वो सिस्टम की ज्यादा है. दैट्स इट. दैट्स इट. डायरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है. जिस सब्सटेंस का टेम्परेचर ज्यादा है वो सब्सटेंस का एवरेज काइनेटिक एनर्जी उस सिस्टम का ज्यादा है. दैट्स इट. करेक्ट? दिमाग में गया या कुछ डाउट है तो पूछो. चले आगे चले. ओके, नाउ टेल मी द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द वेलोसिटी ऑफ atoms, jiggling atoms, and temperature of the system. What could be the relationship between the velocity of jiggling atoms and temperature of the system? Tell me. Yes, Krishna.
So actually I raised by mistake.
Please lower the hands. All of you can lower your hands if you don't want to answer. If you want to answer, then only you are welcome.
Sir,
But
please repeat the question.
what is the relationship between the velocity of jiggling atoms or molecules and temperature? Pranav.
Sir, if the velocity is more, then the temperature is also more.
Yeah, but is there any relationship? V means average velocity. If we are talking about average velocity, then it will be V, correct? So V is directly proportional to square root of t. याद रखो, V is directly proportional to square root of t. From where I am calculating this? Half mv square का concept लगा. Half mv square was directly proportional to t. ये लिखा था हमने, ये लिखा था ना, half mv square is directly proportional to temperature.
Yes, sir.
Means is directly proportional to square root of temperature. V और t का अगर ग्राफ प्लॉट करेंगे तो स्क्वायर रूट का ग्राफ आएगा. स्क्वायर रूट का ग्राफ कैसे होता है, ये माथा पे जोर लगाओ, राइट? कैसे प्लॉट होता है? स्ट्रेट लाइन तो नहीं रहेगा, बट किस टाइप का प्लॉट रहेगा ये हमको समझना है. दिस इज द होमवर्क, राइट? व्हाट विल बी द प्लॉट बिटवीन E वर्सेस V. ठीक है, विल मूव अहेड. नाउ लेट्स कम टू heat. For next 20-25 minutes we are going to discuss about heat. चलो बताओ, what do you understand by the word heat? One by one, जिन्होंने अभी तक आंसर नहीं दिया है वही लोग आंसर देंगे. जिन्होंने आंसर दिया है थोड़ा आराम करो. Yes, take rest. Those who have not answered till now should answer. All of you lower your hands. All of you lower your hands. Tejas सवा लाख है. Yes.
Sir, heat is the energy which gives us the sensation of.
Again, I am collecting the words, right? जैसे कुछ words मिलता है ना, मैं collect करना start कर देता. Heat is a kind of energy. Agree? All of you agree? Heat is a form of energy.
May I comment? Yes, sir.
Yes, everyone will get the chance. Don't worry. Please don't speak in between. I can see your raised hands and I will invite you. Tejas, anything else you want to say?
Sir, which gives the sensation of hotness or coldness.
Which gives the sensation of hotness or coldness. Very good, Tejas. Heat is a form of energy which gives you the sensation of hotness or coldness, right? अभी तक जिसने आंसर नहीं दिया है मैं उनसे ही सुनना चाहता हूँ, लाइक स्नेहा डोमकावड़े. यस.
The heat energy is the sum total of kinetic and potential energies of molecules of given substance.
वो तो मैंने इंटरनल एनर्जी बोल दिया ना. Now can you say that? Do you want to say that कि heat energy is equivalent to internal energy?
Yes, sir.
Keep this statement with you. I will come back to you. Right? Yes. हाँ बोलो.
Sir?
Say. I am listening you. Who is this?
So heat is a form of energy which can be transferred from one form to another.
Which can be transferred from one form to another. So. Yes. और किसने आंसर नहीं दिया है अभी तक? सक्षम. यस, वेलकम.
Sir, heat is a type of energy that can be transferred from one object to another.
Heat is a kind of energy जो कि एक ऑब्जेक्ट से दूसरे ऑब्जेक्ट में ट्रांसफर किया जा सकता है, according to you. Yes. अथर्व वांदिले, अर्णव वांदिले, sorry. Yes.
Sir, according to me, heat means the quality of being hot or cold.
Quality of, what do you mean by quality of being hot or cold? What kind of quality variations do you observe? Magnitude wise or qualitatively? Quantitatively or qualitatively?
Quantitative.
Ayush Khanke.
Sir, heat is a type of energy which is transferred from more hotter object to less hotter.
Vrishank Chakole. He is not responding today. Vrishank, are you there?
Sir, may I?
1 minute. I think those who cannot listen, please leave the class.
Sir, the state of an object being.
Vrishank, are you busy somewhere else?
Hello.
Yes. So this is the first time you are speaking in today's class. This is not done.
There is a slight problem over here at my end.
I don't feel so. Yes, go ahead.
So, sir, the state of an object being hot or cold is called heat. The form.
State, you are saying
The energy.
heat. State of the object is heat, whether it is cold or
Sorry,
it's hot.
the energy. The energy which is present in objects, whether hot or cold, is called heat.
Heat, मतलब वो heat जो है वो किसी के अंदर घुसा हुआ रहता है. ये मोबाइल के अंदर heat है. This is what you want to communicate. कि heat is something which is the content of that body. Heat is something which is the energy content of that body. Rishabh, yes. Now, पुराने आ जाओ मैदान में. Yes.
So, sir, heat is a form of energy which flows from one object and its surrounding when there is a difference in the temperature. Like if one body is hot, another is cold. So heat generally flows from hotter body to colder body.
Very good. I can accept this. Right. इसी को अलग तरीके से थोड़ा समझाओ. इसी स्टेटमेंट को थोड़ा सा और conceptually घुमाओ. Yes. Who will do this? Same thing.
Sir, may I?
कृष्णा, फिर तुम बोला. कृष्णा, कान पकड़ो.
सर पकड़ा.
पकड़ लिया और उसको मरोड़ो 10 बार. Right. हाँ, प्रज्वल.
So heat is a
6, 7, 8.
बस बोलना नहीं है. बैठ जाओ. प्रज्वल.
So heat is a form of energy that can be transferred. If it is not transferred, then it has no meaning.
It has no meaning. अच्छा. अब देखो झगड़ा हो सकता है तुम लोगों का आपस में. Someone is saying कि वो अंदर में रहता है, तुम बोल रहे हो वो बाहर रहता है. Right? और कुछ कोई बोलेगा? Yes, I want some more statements from you.
Sir, may I?
अथर्व राउत. Yes, जो हाथ है वो आ जाए, बात करें.
Sir, heat transfers from the temperature, the object which is at high, which is more hot to the less hot.
Sir,
Sir, heat flows from a hotter object to colder object, and whenever heat is not transferred, then we can say that both the objects have same temperature.
Arnav?
Sir, the heat transfers from the object which is at higher temperature to the object at lower temperature till both the objects comes at the same temperature.
Dhairya.
Sir, it is a motion of a particle that forms an energy.
Particle move
Forms energy called heat energy that is present in all matters.
Okay. Krishna.
Heat is a form of energy which, when removed from an object, that feels cold, and when which is put into an object that feels hot. And sir, heat moves from higher potential of an object to the lower potential of an object.
अच्छा, ठीक है. ईशा.
Sir, can we say that heat is the sum of kinetic energy, total kinetic energy of any system?
Means you want to say that heat is there inside the material. Heat is the content of energy inside the material. The content which I have defined as internal energy, you want to say that that is heat. This is what your statement is?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll come back to you. Right. Saksham, final comments from Saksham.
Sir, if temperature is magnitude of kinetic energy and heat is a form of energy which
is... Don't say magnitude. Proportionate.
And if heat is a form of energy which can be transferred, then it can also be defined as amount of kinetic energy transferred.
Okay. Now, I am correcting all of you now. Right. So for heat, the simplest and the shortest definition is heat is energy in transit. Heat is energy in transit. There is no situation where you can say that कि this material contains heat energy. No, ये material के अंदर जो energy है, that is only internal energy. That is only internal energy, which is the sum of kinetic energy plus potential energy. Whenever this material will lose energy, it will lose because of the temperature difference between this material and its surrounding. It will lose energy. होता है? तो जब वो energy lose करना start करेगा, तो energy in transition will be nothing but heat energy. तो मटेरियल के अंदर, बॉडी के अंदर हीट नहीं होता है. जैसे प्रज्वल ने कहा, हीट हैज नो मीनिंग व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग इनसाइड द मटेरियल, बट हीट इज एनर्जी इन ट्रांजिशन. एनर्जी इन ट्रांजिशन. और ये ट्रांजिशन क्यों होता है? बिकॉज ऑफ द टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस बिटवीन टू सिस्टम्स, राइट? बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ट्रांजिशन ओनली वी कैन यूज थर्मोमीटर. ये मेरा स्टेटमेंट है. नाउ एक्सप्लेन दिस. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ट्रांजिशन ओनली वी कैन यूज थर्मोमीटर्स. अंजलि.
Sir, thermometers measure this, like the difference by which, like this transition. And with this transition, thermometers measure the temperature.
You have not picked up the right point. Isha.
Sir, when we talk about mercury thermometers, so as you said that heat is energy in transit, so we can measure it only when heat is transferred from that object to the bulb which contains mercury, and when it expands, it has scale around.
Leave the other process. First thing is, there is a difference in the temperature between our body and that knob of the mercury, correct?
Yes, sir.
Right, because of which energy transfer takes place. Because of this energy transfer, that energy transfer is nothing but the transfer of heat. Because of this energy transfer, energy of this mercury atoms increases, because of which it expands. This is what you are trying to explain, right?
Yes.
Anything else? Rishabh, you want to say something else?
Sir, like we know that heat transfer when there is a temperature difference. So if our body is hot, then the knob of the mercury, the heat flows from our body to the knob of temperature, and it flows until there is an equilibrium between our body and the
this is again a very, very beautiful word in physics. Equilibrium. Why heat flows from one body to another body? The only reason is to
maintain equilibrium between two bodies.
Thermal equilibrium. To maintain
thermal equilibrium.
Thermal equilibrium. ठीक है, सब लोगों को मिलके एक दिन एक हो जाना है. हीट भी वही कहता है. कोई हायर टेम्परेचर पे है, कोई लोअर टेम्परेचर पे है, तो हायर टेम्परेचर वाला लोअर टेम्परेचर को एनर्जी ट्रांसफर कर देता है, सच दैट सब लोगों को मिलकर एक हो जाना है. राइट? सो दिस वाज द आर्ग्यूमेंट ओनली कि अगर कोई भी चीज एक दूसरे के टच में है, कोई भी चीज एक दूसरे के टच में है, और वो होने के कारण क्या होता है? हीट ट्रांसफर होना स्टार्ट हो जाता है. हीट ट्रांसफर कब तक होगा? जब तक दोनों का टेम्परेचर सेम नहीं हो जाए. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? सो इन बिटवीन आई रेज्ड दिस क्वेश्चन कि हम अगर दो चीज को हाथ लगाए, जहां हम बैठे वहां दो अलग अलग मटेरियल की चीजों को हाथ लगाओ, अलग अलग मटेरियल की चीजों को हाथ लगाओ, तो सेंसेशन मिलता है. एक गर्म मिलेगा, एक ठंडा मिलेगा. दोनों में से दिमाग में चलता है ना, ये ठंडा है और ये गर्म है. लाइक स्टील बॉडी छू लोगे तो थोड़ा सा ठंडा लगेगा, वुडन ब्लॉक छू लोगे एट दिस टाइम गर्म लगेगा. बट ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर एट सेम टेम्परेचर, क्योंकि वो थर्मल इक्विलिब्रियम मेंटेन करते हैं. क्योंकि वो सराउंडिंग के टच में. व्हाट इज द टेम्परेचर ऑफ सराउंडिंग? वी मेजर द टेम्परेचर ऑफ सराउंडिंग एंड दैट surrounding is in touch with this table. That surrounding is in touch with that material, every material which is there in our home, right? Means they must have attained the thermal equilibrium. जो भी चीज thermal equilibrium पे आ जाता है उसका temperature same हो जाता है, उसका temperature same हो जाता है, right? So this is what is the misconception कि दो चीज को हाथ लगाओगे, एक ठंडा रहेगा एक गर्म रहेगा, तुम बोलोगे कि ये अलग टेम्परेचर पे ये अलग टेम्परेचर पे. नहीं, दोनों का टेम्परेचर सेम है बिकॉज दे मेंटेन थर्मल इक्विलिब्रियम. नाउ द क्वेश्चन अराइजेस कि एक ठंडा क्यों लगता है एक गर्म क्यों लगता है. इसके बारे में हम डिस्कस कर सकते हैं, राइट? इसके बारे में हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे. शुड वी कंटिन्यू और शुड वी स्टॉप बिकॉज इट्स 7? Tell me.
I think that we should stop because only 10 MB is left on
Yes.
my data.
Yes. Use the chat box to communicate. Should we continue or should we stop? I am ready to continue. I have sufficient.
Sir, can I ask something?
Yes, Vanshika.
Sir, if we take an heated object in vacuum and if we keep the object for some 2 to 3 hours, then will we get the same temperature after the 2-3 hours pass?
Definitely, definitely.
So, sir, the heat loss is only due to air molecules or it
Tell me,
also
Vanshika,
depends on time?
fridge में चीजें क्यों रखते हैं? Why do we store things in fridge?
To keep them away from getting stale.
Come to the point. Come
So,
to
in
the
freezer or fridge?
fridge or freezer, whatever you.
Sir, to cool them.
To cool them. Rather to cool them, you should say like this: the temperature at which you are keeping fridge will make the equilibrium with the things which you are putting in the fridge. Correct?
Yes.
If you are maintaining the temperature at 7 degrees, so that particular thing, milk or vegetable, whatever will be there, will go to 7 degrees. Why?
To maintain, to make equilibrium.
Make equilibrium. This is what the law of nature. These are the laws which cannot be controlled by us. Can we control it? We can only observe. We can only observe it. We can only realize it. Right? So nature loves thermal equilibrium. Nature को सबको एक बनाना है. और हम लोग क्या करते हैं? झगड़े लगाते हैं, अलग अलग करते हैं, राइट? डिस्टिंग्विश करते हैं. नेचर वांट्स कि सब लोग रहो एक साथ, एक जैसे रहो, एक जैसे देखो, राइट? सो दिस इज व्हाट द मीनिंग ऑफ थर्मल इक्विलिब्रियम कि कोई भी दो चीज अलग टेम्परेचर की जब कांटेक्ट में आती है तो दोनों का टेम्परेचर सेम हो जाए, ये नेचर चाहता है. इस कंडीशन को हम लोग कहते हैं थर्मल इक्विलिब्रियम. एंड हीट फ्लोज फ्रॉम the body at higher temperature to the body at lower temperature. जैसे पानी ऊपर से नीचे गिरता है, नीचे से ऊपर जाता है क्या? नहीं. वैसे ही heat flows from a body at higher temperature means from a body at higher kinetic energy, average kinetic energy, to a body at lower average kinetic energy. Getting my point? ये सब बहुत अच्छे अच्छे सिंपल से concepts है, but वो 10 साल 20 साल तक clear नहीं होते. This is what we are trying to discuss. I can see 2 hands. Yes. Speak out. Ojas.
So I have a question.
Yes, bolo.
So I have read somewhere that at 0 Kelvin, nothing moves inside a body. Sir,
Yes.
it is true?
देखो, पहली बात तो 0 तक कोई पहुंच नहीं पाया है. 0 केल्विन तक 0 point something तक गए हैं, बट 0 तक कोई नहीं गया. बट हाउ दे आर एज्यूमिंग, जो हम लोग ग्राफ प्लॉट करते हैं, दैट ग्राफ वी कैन एक्स्ट्रापोलेट एंड वी कैन इंटरपोलेट.
Yes, sir.
Through that people have made this statement, right?
Okay, sir.
तो 0 केल्विन के ऊपर आते ही जिगलिंग स्टार्ट हो जाती है, right? This is what the ideal statement is. So everything in this world is dancing. Every material with us is dancing because of certain temperature. It vibrates. अंदर के अंदर एटम डांस कर रहा है. एवरीथिंग इन दिस वर्ल्ड इज डांसिंग, बिलीव मी, राइट. जिगलिंग, जो कि हमको नहीं दिख रहा है, बहुत छोटे छोटे हैं ना, इसलिए नहीं. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस जिगलिंग दे कंटेन काइनेटिक एनर्जी, पोटेंशियल एनर्जी, एंड मीन्स दे कंटेन इंटरनल एनर्जी, देयर ओन इंटरनल एनर्जी. तो हमको ध्यान में रखना है इंटरनल एनर्जी क्या होता है, हीट एनर्जी क्या होता है. इंटरनल एनर्जी में से ही कुछ खर्चा कर दो तो वो हीट एनर्जी बन के दूसरे के पास चले जाता है, और दूसरे में जब वो मिल जाता है तो उसकी इंटरनल एनर्जी को वो बढ़ा देता है. सिंपल. सो हीट इज एनर्जी इन ट्रांजिशन. ड्यूरिंग ट्रांजिशन whatever flows is heat energy. Got it? आगे चले?
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have a doubt.
बोलो बोलो जल्दी जल्दी.
Sir, like in the case of concentration gradient, like in diffusion, we can use energy to make a substance move from lower to higher, from lower concentration to higher. So we can do the same with heat. So can we do, like, we can apply some external energy and make
it's all about maintaining thermal equilibrium, and this is the law of nature. ऊपर से चीज नीचे क्यों गिरती है? बिकॉज ऑफ ग्रेविटी. ग्रेविटी क्यों है ये बता पाया है कोई? ये बता पाया है कोई? ग्रेविटी क्यों है? लॉ ऑफ नेचर. नेचर. कुछ चीजें ऐसी हैं जो आंसरेबल अभी तक नहीं है, जिस दिन वो आंसर मिलेगा वो लॉ बन जाता है, नियम, लॉ, कि वो तो मानना ही है. राइट. आगे बढ़ते हैं. बहुत सारी बातें और डिस्कशन में मैं आज यही खत्म करना चाहता हूँ, बिकॉज हार्डली आई गेट स्लॉट्स फॉर सच काइंड ऑफ डिस्कशंस. राइट. लेट्स मूव टू द डेफिनेशन ऑफ और यूनिट्स ऑफ हीट. हीट हम किस में मेजर करते हैं? हीट क्लियर हो गया ना कि एनर्जी इन ट्रांजिशन इज हीट. इट इज डिफरेंट देन इंटरनल एनर्जी, बट वो जाके इंटरनल एनर्जी में एड अप हो जाती है. बॉडी में क्या है? हीट है क्या? नहीं है. बोलते हैं कि कोई चीज गर्म है तो हम लोग ये बोलते हैं क्या? हीट एनर्जी ज्यादा है उसकी. अब नहीं बोलेंगे, उसकी इंटरनल एनर्जी ज्यादा है. हीट क्यों बोलते हैं कि गर्म है? क्योंकि वो ट्रांजिट होके हमारे पास आई है. राइट. एज सुन एज वी टच दैट मटेरियल, वो ट्रांजिट होके हमारे पास आ रही है. So that's why we call that as a heat. We treat that as a heat. Heated है. Like, what is the unit of heat? Heat is energy. What is its an SI unit? Energy.
Joule.
Joule. But generally हम लोग heat को measure करते हैं calorie. Right? We measure heat in terms of calorie, not calories. S नहीं लगेगा कभी भी. याद रखोगे, कोई भी यूनिट एक्सप्रेस करते समय S नहीं लगाना है. सेंटीमीटर्स नहीं बोलना है, मीटर्स नहीं बोलना है, किलोमीटर्स नहीं बोलना है. यूनिट का ये खासियत होता है. KMS अगर लिखोगे तो गलत है. मेरे जैसा टीचर चेक करेगा तो गलत है. बाकी टीचर्स चेक करेंगे तो बोलेंगे बहुत होशियार है मुलगा. राइट. प्लूरल नहीं होता है यूनिट में. कैलोरी. राइट. CAL we represent for calorie. C नहीं लिखते हैं कैलोरी के लिए. क्या लिखते हैं? CAL, small CAL. Right. So 1 calorie is how much? कोई बताएगा? 1 calorie क्या होता है? 1 calorie of heat energy means कितना? थोड़ा सा एहसास कराओ. जैसे मैंने पूछा था ना 1 न्यूटन कितना होता है. 1 न्यूटन कितना होता है? 100 ग्राम उठाते हैं उतना फोर्स जो हाथ पे एक्ट होता है, that is 1 न्यूटन. ये समझ चुके हैं हम लोग दिमाग से. टेल मी कि मैं खुद को कैसे कन्विंस करूं कि व्हाट इज 1 कैलोरी.
Sir, 1 calorie is equal from है.
कोई और बोलेगा तो अच्छा लगेगा. रोशांक.
Sir, 1 calorie equal to 4.3 joules.
मेरे को ये रटे रटाए आंसर्स नहीं चाहिए. व्हाट इज 1 जूल? रोशांक. देखो आई नेवर एक्सपेक्ट कि तुम लोग कुछ चीज याद रखो और बोलो, नहीं, फीलिंग बताना है, सेंस बताना है, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। अगर मेरे को एग्जाम सेट करने कोई दो तो मैं उसमें फॉर्मूलेस भी लिख के दे दूं आपको, बस दिमाग का काम रहे, याद करने का काम नहीं रहे, राइट? इंफॉर्मेशन मिल जाएगा। सोचो, सेंस बताओ, 1 कैलोरी मैं किसको कहूं? विशांक, 1 कैलोरी हीट किसको कहेंगे? कितना एनर्जी, हीट एनर्जी 1 कैलोरी का सेंस देगा? दिस इज व्हाट आई एम आस्किंग। प्रज्वल।
Sir, if we take water at 14.5 degrees Celsius and heat it up to 15.5 degrees Celsius, then the amount of heat required to raise its temperature from 14.5 degrees Celsius to 15.5 degrees Celsius is called 1 calorie.
1 कैलोरी। तो इसको थोड़ा सा सिंपल लैंग्वेज में बात करें, द अमाउंट ऑफ हीट energy required to raise the 1 gram of a substance for 1 degree centigrade is 1 calorie.
So, but standard temperature for which 1 calorie is accepted is 14.5 to 15.5 degrees Celsius.
Why not 15.5 to 16.5?
So, because the properties of water change as we increase the temperature.
No.
That's what I read.
Okay. Okay. So the amount of heat energy required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of a substance by 1 Kelvin or 1 degree is 1 calorie. 1 कैलोरी क्या होता है? 1 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड पानी का टेम्परेचर बढ़ाने के लिए, 1 ग्राम पानी का टेम्परेचर 1 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड से बढ़ाने के लिए जितना एनर्जी खर्चा करना पड़ता है उसको हम लोग 1 कैलोरी कहते हैं। वाटर में बात कर रहा हूं, दूसरे सब्सटेंस में हो सकता है ये एनर्जी कम हो या ज्यादा हो, राइट? सो दिस इज 1 कैलोरी। डू यू नो हाउ दिस इज रिलेटेड विद जूल? हाउ दिस इज रिलेटेड विद जूल? Prajwal.
Sir, 1 calorie is equal to 4.18 joules.
Yes, 1 calorie is 4.18 joule. 1 कैलोरी होता है 4.18 जूल, राइट? So SI unit of energy is joule. तो 1 कैलोरी 4.18 जूल होता है, तो कैलोरी बढ़ा हुआ है या जूल बढ़ा हुआ?
Calorie.
Whenever we talk of heat, we use calorie, right? We use calorie. अच्छा, जैसे हम लोग बात करते हैं प्रोडक्ट्स में, चलो थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में आते हैं। When we talk of certain products, तो उस प्रोडक्ट में लिखा रहता है इस चीज में इतना कैलोरी। What does it mean? लिखा होता है ना, पढ़ते हो कुछ?
Yes, sir, I have seen.
ये चीज है, इसमें इतना कैलोरी, इससे इतना कैलोरी मिलता है।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What does it mean?
So that means that much energy is.
Yes.
So it means that the food contains that
much energy.
उतना एनर्जी, उसको खा लेने से उतना एनर्जी मिल जाएगा। उतना सिंपल है। उसका थोड़ा और डेफिनेशन है, कुछ उसका और डिफाइन करने का तरीका है। किसको पता है बताओ? आई डोंट एक्सपेक्ट कि आपको पता ही हो, बट जिसको पता है बता सकते हो। स्पीक।
Sir, I guess that much energy it contains.
नहीं, what else?
So the breakdown of the food by the process of cellular respiration releases that much energy.
नहीं, it deals with the release of energy, right? It deals with release of energy. When it is burned, when that particular material is burned, then this much amount of energy gets released from that material. तो उसका जो कैलोरीफिक वैल्यू होता है वो बर्निंग से रिलेटेड होता है कि इतना अगर बर्न होता है, बोलते हैं ना कैलोरी बर्न किया, ये वर्ड यूज करते हैं हम लोग, आई हैव बर्नड इतना कैलोरी।
Yes, sir.
ये वर्ड टर्मिनोलॉजी कहाँ से आई कि अगर मैं पीनट लूं और वो पीनट को अगर बर्न करूं तो वो पीनट से 10,000 कैलोरी निकलेगा एनर्जी, बिलीव मी 10,000 कैलोरी, राइट। तो जूल और कैलोरी में क्या डिफरेंस है, देखो एक मैं डेटा शेयर कर रहा हूं आपके साथ, चैट बॉक्स देखो सभी लोग, यस रीड इट।
Sir, didn't receive.
Sir, it hasn't
Yes,
came.
sir.
Sir, it is not on public.
It has gone to,
Yes, sir, it is not
Yes, sir, private chat.
for
it has gone to Ramanshu. Ramanshu, where are you? Wait, EVERY is just accepting the private chats. Everyone in meeting, yes. Now, read it. ठीक है, उसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो, अभी मत पढ़ो, स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो चैट का। That I don't want to devote much time to this. ये अच्छा ट्रिविया है, फैक्ट्स फिगर्स है, राइट। नाउ देयर इज वन टर्म जिसको हम लोग कहते हैं हीट कैपेसिटी। क्या कहते हैं? हीट कैपेसिटी। हीट इज डिफरेंट एंड हीट कैपेसिटी इज डिफरेंट। देयर आर थ्री टर्म्स एक्चुअली, वन इज हीट, second is heat capacity, and third is specific heat capacity. What is heat? Energy in transition, that is heat, that we measure in terms of calorie and joule, correct? Other is heat capacity. Other is heat capacity, the amount of energy required to raise the temperature by 1 Kelvin or 1 degree. Rise in 1 Kelvin is same as rise in 1 degree centigrade, agree or not? Rise
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
is equivalent to rise in 1 degree centigrade, right? So कोई भी मटेरियल का 1 डिग्री टेम्परेचर बढ़ाने के लिए जितना एनर्जी हम उसको खिलाना पड़ता है, उस एनर्जी को हम क्या कहते हैं? हीट कैपेसिटी। अच्छा, इसका यूनिट क्या होगा? What will be the unit of heat capacity? लिख सकते हो simultaneously? What will be the unit of heat capacity? I will also write it down. Heat capacity. हीट को H से डिनोट करते हैं, तो हीट कैपेसिटी को कैपिटल C से डिनोट किया जाता है।
Sir, joule per Kelvin.
Very good. Joule per Kelvin will be the SI unit of heat capacity. And there is one more terminology, there is one more concept जिसको कहते हैं specific heat capacity. क्या कहते हैं? Specific heat capacity. यहाँ थोड़ा सा डेफिनेशन चेंज हो जाता है कि हीट कैपेसिटी we use for the complete material, और उस मटेरियल का 1 ग्राम निकाल ले या 1 किलोग्राम निकाल ले ऐसा यूनिट के टर्म्स में, तो अब वो 1 किलोग्राम मटेरियल का या 1 ग्राम मटेरियल का 1 डिग्री से टेम्परेचर बढ़ाने के लिए जितना एनर्जी उसको खिलाना होगा, वो एनर्जी कहलाता है स्पेसिफिक हीट कैपेसिटी। सो हाउ कैन बी डिफाइन? इट इज द अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी रिक्वायर्ड टू रेज द temperature of unit mass of a substance by 1 degree Kelvin, 1 degree centigrade or 1 Kelvin is specific heat capacity. I am repeating it again. The amount of energy required to raise the temperature of unit mass of a substance. Unit mass of a substance can be 1 gram, can be 1 kilogram, depending on the system of units which we are interested in. By 1 Kelvin is specific heat capacity, and its unit will be joule per
Kelvin.
Kelvin per kg.
Yes.
Joule per Kelvin per kg, right? So this specific heat capacity or heat capacity acts as an thermal inertia. Thermal inertia. जितना ज्यादा स्पेसिफिक हीट होगा मटेरियल का, उतना वो टेम्परेचर चेंज में रेजिस्ट करेगा। एग्री और नॉट? If I am saying कि
Agree.
B का थर्मल, B का हीट कैपेसिटी ज्यादा है, मतलब उसको ज्यादा खाना खिलाना पड़ता है, ज्यादा एनर्जी देना होता है उसको, राइट? Acts as a thermal inertia. Inertia is what? मैकेनिक्स में बोलते हैं ना इनर्शिया, वो हिलना नहीं चाहता है, टेम्परेचर चेंज नहीं करना चाहता है, इसको इतना सारा खाना लगता है। ऐसे ही वाटर है, सबसे ज्यादा खाना खिलाना पड़ता है उसको, उसका हीट कैपेसिटी कितना है पता है किसी को?
4200 जूल.
Wrong.
Sir, 0 point something.
ना.
So 4.2.
4.2
joule per
something.
gram centigrade.
नहीं.
So 4.2 joule per gram centigrade.
नहीं. Specific heat capacity of water is 1 kilocalorie per degree centigrade per gram. मतलब 1 ग्राम पानी का टेम्परेचर 1 डिग्री से बढ़ाने के लिए 1000 कैलोरी खर्चा करना पड़ता है. 1000 कैलोरी 1 किलो कैलोरी पर डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड पर ग्राम. This is the specific heat capacity of water. मतलब पानी बहुत ही, इसीलिए तो पानी को कूलेंट यूज करते हैं ना, राइट? अब बताओ कि सेम अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर और सेम अमाउंट ऑफ सैंड, दो चीज को अगर हम ले और सन के नीचे रखते तो पहले कौन सी चीज का टेम्परेचर बढ़ेगा?
सैंड.
राइट, सैंड का बढ़ेगा. समझ में आ रहा है? अगर मैं आयरन लूं, वाटर लूं और सिल्वर लूं तो सबसे पहले किसका टेम्परेचर बढ़ने वाला है?
सिल्वर.
क्यों बढ़ेगा?
क्यों
बढ़ेगा?
Silver
Sir,
is
की specific capacity कम है.
Silver is the best conductor of heat and electricity.
It has the least specific capacity among the three.
Yes. This is what I want to listen from you after this session. You should talk in terms of specific heat capacity, right? कि सिल्वर का स्पेसिफिक हीट कैपेसिटी कम है, उसको कम खाना लगता है 1 डिग्री टेम्परेचर बढ़ाने के लिए. जिस किसी भी मटेरियल का specific heat capacity is the property of the material. Heat energy is not the property of the material, but specific heat capacity is the property of the material. That is fixed for each and every material. For water it is different, for silver it is different, for iron it is different. For every material there is certain specific heat, right? तो अगर मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि सिल्वर बहुत जल्दी गर्म हो जाता है तो इसका रीजन क्या देना होगा? बिकॉज कि सिल्वर का जो स्पेसिफिक हीट कैपेसिटी है वो कम है. करेक्ट? वो कम है, वो जल्दी गर्म हो जाता है, राइट? तो वाटर को इसलिए कूलेंट हम लोग यूज करते हैं क्योंकि वो बहुत ज्यादा एनर्जी खा लेता है. समझ में आ रहा है? कूलेंट क्यों यूज करते हैं? क्योंकि वो बहुत ज्यादा एनर्जी खा लेता है, क्योंकि उसका 1 डिग्री टेम्परेचर बढ़ने के लिए उसको बहुत सारा खाना लगेगा. इट विल रिक्वायर मोर एनर्जी. 4200 जूल खा लेगा वो. जैसे बताया ना 4.18 जूल होता है 1 कैलोरी, मतलब तो 4180 इतना जूल्स खा लेगा वो 1 डिग्री टेम्परेचर बढ़ाने के लिए. तो दैट्स व्हाई दैट कैन बी ट्रीटेड एज अ कूलेंट, कि इतना खाने के बाद सिर्फ 1 डिग्री टेम्परेचर बढ़ाएगा. तो ऐसे मटेरियल को एज अ कूलेंट यूज कर सकते हैं. करते हैं हम लोग, पानी से ठंडा करते हैं ना बहुत सारा चीज, राइट? नाउ आई एम गिविंग यू वन असाइनमेंट टुडे based on this concept, specific heat concept. What is the role of heating of water in climate? क्लाइमेट में ये स्पेसिफिक हीट का क्या रोल है, ये आपको एक नोट लिखना है, 1 पेज नोट, और सबमिट करना है. Question is clear? What is the role of specific heat of water या sand, जो भी मैंने बात की है, in climate? क्लाइमेट के लिए कैसे ये चीज इंपॉर्टेंट है? अगर मैं वाटर का बात करूं स्पेसिफिकली.
Sir, where we have to submit it?
Sir, please repeat one.
Role of specific heat in climate. Simple. रिसर्च करो, पढ़ो और कर लो, राइट? आपके प्रेजेंटेशंस नहीं होंगे. सैटरडे के जो प्रेजेंटेशंस थे वो हमने कैंसिल कर दिया है. Ariman has gone through all presentations, or green represents best amongst 3, right? वो चेक कर लोगे लिंक पे जाके, और जिसका ग्रीन नहीं है, it doesn't mean कि आपका अच्छा नहीं है. Believe me, I have sent these presentations to many people and all of them are appreciating, right? All of you have done a very good job. Very good job. I am proud of all of you. Right? So don't get disheartened कि मेरा select
So
नहीं.
where the link is shared?
Same link. जहाँ आप लोगों ने अपलोड किया था ना ग्रुप में, पीछे जाओगे वो लिंक दिखेगा, उसको क्लिक करोगे, वहाँ ग्रीन दिखेगा. ग्रीन रिप्रेजेंट्स कि आपका जो प्रेजेंटेशन है वो Ariman is saying कि yes, this is what was expected. Or he has given me one message. He has just dropped me one message. I was talking to him only because I wanted to communicate that message to you. Dear Dr. Lakotia, I was very impressed with all of the submissions, and the students have gone above and beyond to research and present their topics. In fact, I don't think we'll need to have a full session. If you could forward this winners to the students so that they could go through and understand all the concepts, that would be great. And if they have any questions, as always, they can email. They have my email address. This is the message for them, right? So we will continue more things, right? So next would be the project. We are planning a project for you, right, that you can do at your home. So there will be one project on Sunday, workshop on Sunday. उसके लिए कुछ नहीं लगेगा, वो आता है ना खिलौने वाला clay and sticks. Those things are required for Sunday's event. And we are conducting one daytime astronomy event in which I am going to divide you in 2 sessions, Friday and Saturday. आधे बच्चे Friday को attend करेंगे, आधे बच्चे Saturday को attend करेंगे. Right, that I will send you some list. वो list में जो भी चीज है वो जमा कर लो और आप कर सकते हो. Right?
So I didn't got the link.
तुम मांग लो ना किसी से, दुश्मनी है क्या तुम्हारी बाकी लोगों से? Right. Find a solution rather than to create a problem. Okay. So with this, I will stop today, and I hope कि आज का session में बहुत कुछ learning छुपा था.
Where we have to submit that assignment?
I will generate a Google Classroom link in the classroom. ठीक है?
So yesterday's graphs.
Graphs also I will generate. Give me some time, right? कल तक मैं वो generate कर दूंगा. जब तक आप आपके पास रखो, right? जो भी material मैं बोल रहा हूँ, keep those things with you.
So I created 4 graphs, but the velocity.
बाद में बात करेंगे इसमें, right? Personal बात सबके साथ नहीं होगा, ठीक है? ठीक है? With this,
Hi sir.
I am ending today's session. ठीक लगा सबको आज का सेशन?
Yes sir.
Yes
sir. Very good.
Yes sir.
Okay. चलो.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, should we write our attendance?
नहीं जरूरत है. I can see. Take care of your health. रोज थोड़ा वार्म अप किया करो, एक्सरसाइज किया करो, और dogs are there. चलो, bye.
Bye sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.